Okay, guys, obviously I need to explain how to write up the lab a little bit better. This is going to be worth a summative grade, like a quiz, and it's going to bring grades up if you do it really well. So if you submitted it already, you're going to have to redo it because obviously I did not explain it very well. So the research question, that is mine. And there's some errors in there. There's a period after concentration. You might want to look at it and rewrite it a little bit. You won't have to do much on here, but a little bit. So, hypothesis. The decrease in H2O2 const period, that's not acceptable. Okay, I'm writing this up so you know I'm giving you like a idea of what to put. So this, I want to make sure the punctuation and grammar will be perfect. Null hypothesis. Here you got to change this. Look up what a null hypothesis is and reword that to make it a valid null hypothesis. So variables manipulated. What did you manipulate? An increase in temperature? Nope, we didn't do that. Did you do pH? Nope, we didn't do that. So you're going to have to change this, guys. The responding one's pretty good. Look through the controlled variables and see if there's anything in there that we did or didn't do. The introduction and background. This was missing on everyone's paper. This is really important. Since I filled out most of this paper already, the only way I can really grade you is on stuff that you put in. So make sure you give me a good background. I want a background on how enzymes work. I want a background on what peroxidase does. I want a background on what it does in our bodies. Where is peroxidase naturally found? What does it work on? Okay. The materials are pretty complete. Procedure I did for you. Data collection, those were pretty much filled out. And then discussion. You're going to have to redo this one too. This is big. Qualitative. Saw, hear, smelled, senses. Take all of that out. I put that in there so you know what to put here. And you've got to discuss each of these tests. Test 1, Test 2, Test 3, Test 4, Test 5. Not just one of them. Give me qualitative for all of them. Quantitative. So take this out. You're going to have to put your own in here. Add the standard deviations. Add the means. You don't have to do the ANOVA significance, but I want averages or means, standard deviations, all that in here, okay? Conclusion. Take this out. Not take out conclusions. You have to put that in. Take out what I've written. Interpret the findings from the study and relate them to similar studies. You don't have to relate them to similar studies right now, but you can give me a brief summary of what your lab showed, okay? Limitations, if you can find some limitations or improvements, that'd be great. No works cited or appendix are needed for that, okay? But you really got to work on your conclusions, your discussion, your introduction and background, and then briefly change up the research question hypothesis, null hypothesis, and variables. Okay, I hope that was more clear. Like I said, if you already turned in your paper, I'm not going to grade that. Just rework it, and I'll grade it, the new one. Okay, thank you.